Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I will explain you about blockchain developer career path and roadmap. So in this video, we will be understanding what are the skills that are required to become a blockchain developer, what are the companies that hire blockchain developers in different job roles, and what is the salary structure of these blockchain developers, and how many different type of blockchain developers, everything we will discuss in this video. So if you are watching my video for the first time, there is a subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for regular and daily notifications. Now the very first thing is, what is a blockchain developer? A blockchain, first let us understand what is blockchain. Blockchain is a unique type of database where data is stored in the form of blocks in serial line, blocks, or just imagine small boxes kind of thing, and they are linked with each other through a imaginary chain, something like that. So that kind of technology, that kind of thing is called as blockchain. Now a person who is working on this technology, who is developing something on the basis of this blockchain technology, is called as a blockchain developer. Which kind of companies hire blockchain developers? IBM, JP Morgan, Walmart, Visa, Microsoft, Amazon, Alibaba, PayPal, Samsung, and there are many big multinational companies which hires people who are skilled in this blockchain technology. Now, if you want to become a blockchain developer, what are the skills that you have to learn? What are the skills that are required? So the very first, very important skill is definitely a programming skill. You can definitely learn C++, Python, Java, or any programming language. You also have to understand the data structures and algorithms. You also should be very good with problem solving skills. You should understand how the blockchain architecture works. What is cryptography? You should have some good knowledge on the cryptography part. Writing smart contracts you have to be aware of. Understanding of financial transactions. Understanding of blockchain protocol. These are the basic skills that are required to become a blockchain developer. Now, blockchain has two very important features. The very first one is immutability. No modification can be done, because this is a technology, blockchain technology. These features make it very unique, blockchain technology. The first one is immutability. No modification can be done. And decentralization. Data that is not controlled by a single user. All the users will have same access. Because of these features only, blockchain technology is high in demand in the market, and in the next 5 or 10 years also, blockchain technology will be in very high demand in the market. Because software companies will be using this technology, definitely they will require skilled professionals who know how to work on blockchain technology, right? So that is the reason blockchain developers will also have a very high demand, very high requirement in the near future also. Now, the two type of jobs that are on blockchain development are core blockchain developer and blockchain software developer. What does a core blockchain developer do? They design, they develop a blockchain architecture or algorithm. What does blockchain software developer do? They develop the decentralized applications that run on the blockchain architecture. So these are the two very different roles that usually a blockchain developer gets offered by different companies. So this was all about blockchain developer. Anybody, what is the qualification criteria to become a blockchain developer? Any graduate, but any graduate who is from computer science background will be given first preference, because this architecture, the algorithm, data structures and programming things, all this requires computer science background knowledge. So computer science background graduates will be given first preference. But as I always say, a normal graduate, BSc, BCom, BSc, BCA, these graduates, degree students can also learn this skill. They can become an expert in this skill, and they can apply in different organizations. So this was about blockchain developer. What is the salary in India, in Hyderabad? I would say the salary ranges for a fresher candidate. The salary ranges from company to company. For example, JP Morgan will give a different salary package. IBM can give us different salary package to fresher candidate. But on an average, 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs package per annum we can expect for a fresher who has no experience, only skilled professional, and that too in Hyderabad city we can expect 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs package per annum we can expect for a blockchain developer job role. So this was all about this career. I hope you understood something about blockchain career roadmap and career path and things like that. If you have any questions, you can definitely put your questions in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family members as well on WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Facebook groups and Instagram as well. So this was all about this video. My name is Sushmita. This is my English channel. I also have a Telugu channel called Pashams, very active on that channel, and namaste.